So you guys, I'm back. This is just a quick review product, not unboxing, just kind of showing you what it looks like. So I want on Bbox, a trend closings or whatever, or enclosures. But so I actually put it in the back of my truck and it actually kind of fits, I'd say it's cheaper than the sub thumb. I think the sub thumb is more rigid, but this will do for now. Shitty part about this is when it came in, the box is destroyed. So this corner broke. Yeah, so it got like dropped right here and whatnot. But other than that, I checked all around it and it's fine. So whatever, you know. But yeah, I mean, this is the thing, or the the box and whatnot. And so the easiest way to do this too, to get the things, because you obviously can't wire them in or go through there and put a hook on a wire. Well, you probably could, but it sucks. So you do is unscrew these. Then you pop this off and some glue or something in there. Put them on, hook your wire connectors right there, put it back in, screw it back in, and run through wire, and then there's your sub. But I mean, that's what it is. I might maybe put some something else in here, like a foam or the little, oh shit, I don't know what it's called now. Yeah, something, maybe make it a little bit better, I don't know. But I mean, yeah, it looks, I mean, for $80, I mean, it's hard to beat, because someone here local wanted this box for $140, and I was like, well, I can get it, and that's why I keep thinking in my inside, I'm freaking screwing the local economy, because I went to Amazon. But it kind of sucks because you're on a budget. But I'll put down a link down below to buy it and get it in 2 days. So we're gonna get this installed too.